Hi all, a quick video here. I just had to show you this beautiful strap as soon as it came in because this one matches the Longchamp leather perfectly. Now some of you asked me before in the comments of my other videos where I got my straps from, but I couldn't really recommend as we're just not really matching the leather. But this one is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at the stitching, look at the leather. I mean, the color of the leather, the texture of the leather is just exactly the same. Even like the glazing on the sides, or how do you call it, like the edges of the strap, it just matches perfectly. So if you were still looking for a strap for your le pliage bags, then this is the one you should go for. It's absolutely amazing. I love it so much. It also comes with this gold colored chain as another great option to style your bag. I'm so happy that I can now finally recommend the best matching strap and chain to you. I will show you some mod shots in another video, but I just quickly wanted to come on here and show you this. Check out the links in my bio. This is absolutely the perfect pack. In my opinion, I've tried different straps and things, but this is the perfect one. So if you want to convert your pouch or any of the le pliage bags to a crossbody bag, then this is the pack you should go for sure. I mean, just see for yourself in the next few clips the stitching, the details, everything. So as usual, let's chat in the comments and we will see each other, or you will see me, I should say, in the next video. Bye.